Welcome back, and today we're going to see what is 1 Cusec. Have you heard this term anywhere? Indeed, you must have heard this term with reference to dams and whenever there is discharge of water from the dams, particularly during the monsoon times and during the overflooding times.
जब बढ़ा होता
Whenever
है,
there are heavy
डैम्स फुल हो
rains in the
जाते हैं,
catchment
तो
area
तब ये
of a
पानी छोड़ा
dam,
जाता है और उसे
the
गिनते
water
हैं
is released in
क्यूसेक्स में।
excess from the
तो
dams,
देखते
and
हैं
then the
कितना है एक
unit of
क्यूसेक।
measurement is
एक्चुअली
Cusec.
क्यूसेक जो
Even
होता
under
है वो
normal
रेट ऑफ
circumstances
फ्लो
also,
ऑफ वाटर का
the release of water is
मेजरमेंट होता
measured
है,
in terms
यानी
of
किस
Cusec.
गति।
But actually speaking, it is not the unit of volume of water, but the rate of flow of water. That is the volume of water flowing per unit time per second. Cusec is actually an abbreviated term, and its actual long form is cubic feet per second. In other words, if 1 cubic feet water is flowing in 1 second, that rate of flow of water is called as Cusec, 1 Cusec. I hope most of us know what is 1 cubic feet. However, for those who are not aware of this term, I shall explain what is 1 cubic feet. Take a cube whose side is all three sides are equal, length, breadth and height, which is 1 feet. The volume of this cube in that case will be length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, which is equal to 1 cubic feet. So if this much water is flowing in 1 second, that is called as 1 Cusec. What is the correlation between Cusec and liter per second? If we convert cubic feet into liters, that is equal to 28.317 liters. Dividing both sides by second, 1 cubic feet per second is equal to 28.317 liters per second. Therefore, 1 Cusec is equal to 28.317 liters per second. In the same way, 1 TMC will be equal to 11,000 Cusec if the time period is 1 day. Thanks for watching this video again.